Word 41. Live. Live means to have your home in a place. Example, I live in a big city. Repeat after me. I live in a big city. Live. I live in a big city. Word 42. Believe. Believe means to think that something is true. Example, I believe in myself. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. Believe. I believe in myself. Word 43. Bring. Bring means to carry or take something to a person or place. Example, please bring your book. Repeat after me. Please bring your book. Bring. Please bring your book. Word 44. Write. Write means to form letters or words on a paper or a screen. Example, I write a letter. Repeat after me. I write a letter. Write. I write a letter. Word 45. Sit. Sit means to rest on a chair or seat. Example, please sit down. Repeat after me. Please sit down. Sit. Please sit down. Word 46. Stand. Stand means to be on your feet in an upright position. Example, please stand up. Repeat after me. Please stand up. Stand. Please stand up. Word 47. Lose. Lose means to no longer have something because you cannot find it. Example, I lose my keys. Repeat after me. I lose my keys. Lose. I lose my keys. Word 48. Pay. Pay means to give money for something. Example, I pay for my lunch. Repeat after me. I pay for my lunch. Pay. I pay for my lunch. Word 49. Meet. Meet means to see and talk to someone for the first time or by arrangement. Example, I meet a new friend. Repeat after me. I meet a new friend. Meet. I meet a new friend. Word 50. Include. Include means to have something as part of a group or set. Example, the box includes a book. Repeat after me. The box includes a book. Include. The box includes a book. Excellent work! Let's review the 10 verbs you just learned. Live. I live in a big city. Believe. I believe in myself. Bring. Please bring your book. Write. I write a letter. Sit. Please sit down. Stand. Please stand up. Lose. I lose my keys. Pay. I pay for my lunch. Meet. I meet a new friend. Include. The box includes a book. Now let's say the verbs one more time. Live. Believe. Bring. Write. Sit. Stand. Lose. Pay. Meet. Include. Fantastic! You have now learned 50 common English verbs. You are halfway to learning 100 common English verbs. Let's continue with the next 10 verbs.